What exists out there beyond the normal AI tools? We know ChatGPT, we know Claude, we know Grok, we know Gemini, you name them. There are so many tools out there. The automation tools, N8N, Zapier, Make, you name it. There are AI data analytics tools. Yes, you can use Jupyter, you can use Power BI, but there are also AI data analytics tools such as Hex.tech. You can use AI in general to influence your marketing, to influence your operations, to influence your HR, to influence every department you can imagine, every industry you can imagine. So AI has a lot of uses just beyond what we are used to inside the normal chatbots. And in our training, the Digital for Africa AI Masterclass, we have compiled all this information into a 2-day short course that only runs about 3-4 hours within a day, that can introduce you to all these concepts, and you can start implementing them at an individual level. You can start implementing them at also a company or a corporate level. And we'd love to have you in our next class.
There is a lot of hype around AI, and there is a business opportunity around AI. So if we keep the AI hype aside, you could be a business owner. You have a CRM like HubSpot or Odoo or Microsoft 360, or you have an ERP system like Odoo, for example. Maybe you don't get very good reports from the person who comes up with reports, or the default reports that you get from the system that you normally have. AI has connectors and plugins or integrations that you can connect an LLM agent, for example, with the system that you have, and you can come up with very good reports that can be automated. They just come maybe weekly, monthly, and they're visually appealing. It's a dashboard, very colorful, easy to interact, and very easy to interpret. So there's a role for AI in getting better reports that can help you improve your decision making as a business owner or a business manager.
In the training, we start with the introduction. So we start defining some terms, we start understanding what is the difference between Gen AI and AI in general. Then we go a step further and look at a couple of case studies, who is doing what out there and how they're doing it and how they're succeeding with AI. Then now we take some time to understand the various tools that are out there. We go through about 100 tools. We mentioned about 100 or so tools, and we give you the liberty to go and research more and actually just interact with them.
For my class, I'll introduce a bunch of AI resources. So that's one thing. Secondly, I'll show you how to gel the resources, whether it's any generative tool, within your work environment to 10x your productivity. So whether you are into managerial stuff, whether into you're an entry-level person in a business, or whether you want to just explore AI for yourself, I'll show you how you can now pick the AI knowledge and implement it into your day-to-day work, and show you how to connect AI with some of the platforms we have out there. So join me to help you 10x your productivity and learn how to write better prompts.
So learn how to use AI for many things, be it automation, be it just the general tools that are out there for our disposal, and hope to see you in the next class.